You've probably noticed a lot of discussion about data centers that the AI systems use. You see, AI systems are what's known as predictive systems. That is, they're very good at taking a current concept and predicting what might happen from that. You might say, for instance, write me an article on growing blackberries in Florida. So the AI system needs to find all sorts of existing data on this subject and then build that into an article that will be appropriate. This leads to another term that is used in relation to AI systems: learning. These predictive AI systems must have access to huge quantities of data that they can learn about different topics from. They need to be able to look up all the data they can find, in this case on growing blackberries in Florida. How do they do that? Well, the AI companies collect huge quantities of data from websites and computer systems all over the world, and they put copies of all that data into data centers so the AI systems can get at it. The only problem is these enormous data centers are so big that their power requirements are having a serious impact on the ability of power companies to keep pace and keep up with the demand. There are now serious concerns about some towns and cities in the United States and in Europe will experience brownouts because of this. But not only that, these data centers are also so huge that they need incredible amounts of water to keep them cool. So there is now a possibility that some towns and cities will experience water shortages because the nearby data center is using all their water. Now, a key point. Data centers are only needed because today's computer systems use communications and security systems that are out of date and do not allow easy access to data. Therefore, they must copy the data they need from all over the place, all over the world, and put those copies into data centers so the AI systems can learn from there. But ExoTech systems will use a new form of communications and security that will allow very safe and easy access to all of the worldwide data directly without having to first copy it into some massive data center. So we can run these predictive AI systems very easily without having to build any data centers for them. So that's another ExoTech difference. The worldwide expansion of the use of AI from an exobrain will not threaten the power or water supplies of towns and cities. Thank you.